I'll be honest, this house confused me from day one. 12 acres, a 5,700 square foot estate with a pool, a pond, a wet bar, a party room, a sunroom, a 4-car garage, and a 2,000 square foot shop. Sounded like a dream, but the moment I stepped inside, I thought to myself, what even is this place? The blueprint looked like 4 different houses stitched together. Rooms led into other rooms, hallways dead-ended into closets. One side felt like a private retreat, the other side felt like a dorm. I later found out that it might have been used as a senior living care home or a multifamily setup for years prior, which honestly explained a lot. Every wall, every door felt like it told a different story. So the real question wasn't, how do I fix it? It was, what do I keep? Every decision I made changed the flow of the house. Do I keep the extra kitchen? Do I open up the middle? Do I make it one big luxury home or 4 distinct wings? Every time I thought I had it figured out, something new would pop up. Plumbing that didn't connect, electric that made no sense, spaces that were once bedrooms but now felt like offices. Meanwhile, my crews were just waiting, costs were climbing, and the time was ticking. I bought this house for $528,000, and I carried it for months. The problem with these big homes is your carry costs. Look here, $46,000 in carry costs. And I put about $120,000 into renovations, trying to bring order to the chaos. At times it felt like we were building a brand new house inside of an old one. We sold it for $879,700, and we cleared for profit, we cleared $129,000. Not bad for a project that started out like someone dumped a puzzle on the floor and they said, hey, figure out the pieces. Sometimes the hardest part of flipping isn't the construction, it's figuring out what the house wants to be. Anyways, love you guys.